Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today we're going to create this look. And if you're interested to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Interested to know how I created this look, black, edgy, colorful vibe, so please keep on watching. So I started off with the primer, and then my foundation is the Ever Belena All Day Liquid Foundation. I super love this foundation if you're going to use a flat kabuki brush and blending this one. The finish is so amazing, I tell you. And contouring and highlighting using this LA Girl Pro Concealer. On the darker shade is for the outside perimeter of my face and as well as my nose. And don't forget to blend. I am using the beauty sponge. Blending is the key, guys, as I always said. And I'm concentrating on patting on the products and as well as on the inner side of the face. I use the lighter shade of the concealer from LA Girl. And dabbing with a dabbing motion, I'm super careful, especially in the eyes, and always set the first application that you made by setting powder. I'm using the Nichido one. I super love this one. And then I use the brow pomade of MAC brown shade. And blending it well with this brush and setting everything with this brow gel from Nichido under the shade of brunette. I super love this one, guys. I always use this on my clients. And below my brow bone area, I am cleaning it off with the concealer that we used as our highlighter earlier, and using this flat P88 from Sigma brush to clean the edges and as well as priming my eyelids. Yes, and first I will be using this dark bronzer as my transition color, and then followed by this dark brown on my crease, just two colors, and then we're going to play with a shimmer on the lid area. And then as you can see, I'm tracing a wing liner. So I will be filling it up with this blue shimmery eyeshadow. I forgot the name of the palette, but I'm going to place it in the description box. And as well, this teal blue shimmery eyeshadow on the inner side. Same color on the lower lash line. I just follow the pattern, what I used on my eyelids as well. And then putting on some goldish eyeshadow on my tear duct. And of course, we're going to place on black eyeliner on this. To place a bit of wing. Made it! So this is perfect, Char. So I just placed on my eyelashes, contact lens, and this is my eyes. I'm a pretty girl. I'm stunning. My God. Go for mascara. And for our contour, we will be using this. Earlier we used this one for our eyeshadow and this one. So this one will be the next. As for our contour, hala, agoy. Nagpatsi manday. Lagyan lang natin ang konting highlighter dito. Dito. Yes! Come through, highlighter! And before we forget, we're going to put on some blush on. I will be using the Tarte Embellish. Yan, parang doll effect, Char. And for our highlighter, which is our Skin Potion. Wait! We're going to use the Wet n Wild highlighter. Mas maganda to besh pa if you're going to wet the brush. Let's see. Voila! And we're going to go for our lipstick, and we will be using, for our lipstick, we will be experimenting on violet lip liner beige. Or, we're going to go for a brown lip liner. Sige. I will go for a black lip. Oh! Cleaning this up. Guys. Ooh, ooh. I'm a pretty girl. I like to So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully, guys, you're still going to support me in this journey. So I posted makeup tutorials once a week, and then vlogs and skincare routine and hauls and boxing. So please continue to support me. See you soon on Monday. Sarang hai. Bye-bye.